French lady's secret for a successful back-to-school time. Hello, I'm Hanna from French and Elegant, a French expert of etiquette and elegance. Here on this new channel, I teach you all my knowledge about les arts de la table, French chivalry, la galanterie française, how to teach politeness to children, how to educate them properly. You will find everything you need to know about French etiquette. If, like me, you're passionate about France, you will love my online school. Apprendre les bonnes manières. For the moment, all the classes are in French. Yes, for 8-9 years now I teach French etiquette to French people. This year I started this channel for you, for English speaker. Well, so forgive me my English, I will be better. It will be better with time. But yes, for the moment, I would like you to present you my online classes. Okay? You will find the link just below in the description box. Yes, all you need to know about etiquette, elegance, how to dress, how to speak, how to start a good conversation, how to set a table, and so on. French, just French. Oh, and also, before I forget, in the description box as well, you will find the boutique Lignes de France. It's a fashion brand I started 2 years ago. And this dress and all the jacket blouses I show you, yes, they are from Lignes de France. Well, in this video, let's talk about the back-to-school time. Yeah, soon it will be the 1st of September. And what do you need to know? Okay, take your calendar. You have 3 weeks to prepare. That's great. 3 weeks, 21 days. It said that you need 21 days to take a new habit. Right. So this is the plan. A 3-step plan. You know, all you can learn in etiquette books is the kind of knowledge that your grandma, your grandpa will teach you. It's quite old school, old fashioned, but it's true, okay? So, you know that maybe, or if you don't know, I will teach you that. During the first minute, you will do your first impression. First impression is essential. It takes 1 minute to do a first impression. In this minute, to tell you the truth, is less than 10 seconds, but yeah. During this first minute, during the 21st second, we will analyze your clothes, your style, your outfit, because it's a non-verbal language. In the second 20 seconds, we will analyze your gesture, how you move, how are you sitting, how are you standing, what are you doing with your hands, and so on. And the last 20 seconds will be for your language, your vocabulary, the vocabulary you use, and the tone of your voice, the smile, all you can hear. Okay, so this is essential. So here, the lady's secret plan for a back to school, a successful back to school time. What is it? It's based on this 3 20-second movement. Okay, so as I said, you have 3 weeks to prepare. Please follow this plan. Don't do everything in the same time. It's certain you will fail, okay? I know that because I tested it a lot of time with my students, with my pupils, and you can do that. You have to concentrate on one thing during one period of time. Here it will be first week, clothes, your outfit. During the first week, plan and concentrate and learn what you have to learn about your clothes, but how to dress elegantly. All right, so you don't need to have a lot of clothes. It is important to wear clothes appropriate to the event and the season. That's why you don't have a full-time year wardrobe. You don't have a wardrobe that is for 365 days in a year. No, it's not that. You have a wardrobe with 4 seasons. Okay, if you're starting your elegant journey, it can be 2 wardrobe: the fall and the winter, and spring, summer. Right. In this season wardrobe, you have 4 outfits. 3 plus 1. You will have the same outfit Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday, and the last one, it will be for Wednesday and Saturday. And you will have a special outfit for Sunday. Okay, it's one you will use for ceremony, events, and so on. Okay, it's not completely so formal, but it will help you at the beginning. So you never have 2 days in a row the same outfit, but you don't have to invest all your saving in clothes. Right? You will just need 3 outfits. When I say 3, it's a dress and a dress, or a blouse and a skirt, and a complete outfit. Maybe you know the American channel, the Daily Connoisseur. The lady is amazing. I love what she's doing on the internet for I don't know, for 5, 6, 7, 8 years now, or even more. It's like a friend on the screen for me in France. She is the author of Lessons from Madame Chic. Yeah, something like that. Madame Chic. She was an au pair in France, and she learned a lot of things. I really recommend her channel. And she's a mother as well. So she's in real life like me, not like a good intention single that is alone and she will teach you life. You know, I'm a mother. I have a real problem. Right. Okay. So for clothes, first week you will concentrate all your attention on the clothes, how to dress elegantly. On this channel, French and Elegant, you will find 3, 4 videos about that. So just watch them. It will help you. Now, for the very first day of school, day of work, the very first day, we have like a code, a silence code, which is you will wear white and dark blue color. It will be better to have a white top, a blouse, not a shirt, a blouse, and the skirt or the trousers will be dark blue. It's like a souvenir, a memory from school back in the time. And dark blue is a color that represents professionalism and like being a good student. All right. So after a summer break, it's good to go back to school or to work with these behaviors, with the good codes, like to remember this is a good person. Maybe you don't believe that, but the power of color is true. You analyze that and it's true. So it's good to have something white here on the top because the white will reflect the sun and the smile. You will shine, okay? Especially if you have a summer tone still on you. Okay, so this is the first week. On the second week, you will concentrate on your body. Right. You will see that in the movies. I watch them, you watch them too, okay? Everything is so sharp, quick, like violence. There is no grace. You will have to practice. And it's not a theory, okay? It's practice. You do exercise. With me, you will do exercise. Practice. How you sit, how you stand, how you walk. And watch a video on YouTube for that. When you see a ballet, so there is dancer. The dancers are finishing their movement. For example, when a dancer, classical dance, of course, have to open the arm. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, you see it. A bad dancer will do. A good dancer will always finish his move. Like you have to open the arm. You open it, you open all the fingers. You go far away and you go back. Right? You finish all your movement. Okay. And to do that, you have to slow down. Now, just for the anecdote, we have a friend who is working in high school. He's not a teacher, but he's like for discipline. I don't know if you have that in your country. Right, so he, I don't know, I wouldn't say he teach discipline. No, he's here just to 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 look after children on the time where they're not to school in the classes, right? And like he told me, Hannah, during the lunch break in the cafeteria, I have to teach them how to sit. I'm not talking about being invited to Buckingham Palace, just how to sit. Like they are sitting, I don't know if you see, they are sitting like that at the table, or they are sitting like, have your one, I don't know if you can, yeah, and here's the table, or you are sitting both leg, yeah, you on your knee, right? And sorry, I'm going back to you. And this is crazy. Just, I told them how to sit. You have to put your both feet on the floor, and you don't have to be like a statue. And no, just, okay, no exaggeration, but just sit properly at the table. Where to start? One thing, don't cross your leg when you're sitting at the table. At the beginning, it's very difficult. You try it, okay? Second thing, try to slow down. Don't exaggerate that, okay? But if you just slow down like 3% of your life, you will see it will be more enjoyable. It's paradox, but you will have time to do more things and better things. We will talk about that another time. Okay, so work on your gesture on this second week. Third and last week of the program, you will concentrate on your language. Okay, so I would like you to remember the TV show Friends with Ross, Monica, Rachel, Joey, right, you know that. It started with this TV show, and after that, many other TV shows copied this one. But, right, I love Friends, don't get me wrong. But what you don't have to copy is the lack of vocabulary of the characters. What do I mean by that? Of course, it's much better than what you see in television now. But when you begin a sentence, you have to finish it. On Friends, it's you replace your emotion, how you feel. You don't use word, you use expression like oh, ooh, oh, I said oh, and I was oh, and he said and I thought oh, okay, and so on. Okay, it's funny. Okay, it's funny in the TV show, but in reality, you really have to finish your sentences, and you have to learn how to express your emotion. Why though? Because when you can express how you feel, 99% of the problem is solved. One of the problems with children nowadays is that they don't know how they feel, so they are frustrated, they are angry, and they react with violence. We have to teach them, like in primary school, what is to be happy, to be tired, to be bored, to be surprised, to feel angry, to feel irritated, to feel friendly. And the more vocabulary you have to express the emotion, your emotion and others' emotion, the more free and calm and smart you will be. When you can identify a problem, most of the time, not always, but most of the time, you already have the solution. So it is important to finish your sentences. So try on this third week, try that, practice that. It will help you, but it will help people around you. If you are a mother, it's very good to make your children repeat your word. Like they are like a sponge, they take all your emotion, all the emotion of the mother. Okay, so it is very important for us as a mother to have a rich vocabulary. Okay, I try to do that in English. I will get better with time. I'm sure of that. And please correct me in the comment. I'm here to learn too, to speak English, right? Okay. Okay. So now you have your 3 weeks plan. Please don't do everything at the same time. No, really, no. Oh, you will be at the point zero 3 weeks later. No, really, write this plan with on your really with a pen, okay, not on your cell phone, not on your computer. No, you have to write that in your calendar. Okay. First week, second week, third week, and you concentrate on this different party. Okay, first week clothes, second week your movement, your behavior. Okay, and third week vocabulary, and you will see that you only will concentrate on expressing your emotion, the emotion of other people. And even when you, I don't know, you disagree sometimes with your husband, the exercise is to repeat what you have understood, okay, what you have understand. He said to you, la, 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 and okay, so if I understand you clearly, you said you feel da 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 da. You said that, and most of the time, like 90% of the time, when we do that exercise, we realize, no, I didn't get it right. Maybe this person didn't express it right, but it helps. It's good for communication. Right, so please do that, and you will be ready for the 1st of September. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to know a lot more about French etiquette, especially at the table, you have a free guide just for you. Okay. Follow the link in the description box, and in the next 5 minutes you will be reading it. Okay. I see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe, of course, but don't forget, courtesy for legacy.